Hey, it's Brandon from InsiderSchool.com. Thanks for joining the Find Your Life Purpose and Maximize Your Impact course. I'm really excited to share this with you. We'll get started in the next video, but before we do, I want to give you an opportunity to get the most out of this course. Here's the story. When I was in college, I asked an extremely successful businessman if I could take him out to lunch. As we're sitting down, I asked him, "What's the most important lesson you've learned?" Here's what he said. Most people drift through life. They don't know what they want out of something, so they never get it. What I do instead is set an intention before everything I do. Before every day I work, every party I go to, every book I read. So I want you to set your intention for the course. I want you to post in the discussion section of the course now, what specifically do you want more clarity on in your life? And I want you to do this for two reasons. Number one, if you don't know what you want to get out of the course, before you go through it, chances are you won't get it. And number two, I read every post and can give you more tips not covered in the course for your specific situation. Now, I know you may be thinking, okay, I just answered that question in my mind. Why do I need to write it down? Because the truth is, if you're just looking for more information to sound smart, this course probably isn't for you. Unless you take action on what you learn, nothing will change. So go ahead, post in the discussion section what you want more clarity on. And once you've done that, let's start the course in the next video.